At Karrikins Group, we work with teams on completing their diamond triangle. Now, what is the diamond triangle? Well, we know that a lot of companies have spent time, money, and energy on what they do. What is your strategy, your transformation plan, your project plan, maybe your PMO, whatever it is that you're doing within your organization. We also know that companies spend a lot of time on their why. They know their mission, their vision, their purpose, their values. They've brought in companies and partners to help them with this, and it's important work. Knowing your what and your why is great. However, it's insufficient for leadership teams to take their companies to the next level. My name's Julie Williamson, and I'm a managing partner at Karrikins Group. Together with my business partner and our colleagues, we help our clients to fill in the missing piece of their diamond triangle. What's the missing piece? The missing piece is literally the diamond that completes the triangle. The missing piece sits right here, and it's what we call the how. Now, the how is not about tactics. The how isn't the click down on your strategy. When we're answering the question of how, we're answering the question of how do we lead together to deliver on our most ambitious strategies and our most inspiring purpose, mission, or vision. Doing the work to understand what your how is, how you're going to lead together, is how teams come together and take advantage of all of their strengths to identify the opportunities and the risks that exist between them in the organization. Completing your diamond triangle is the next step for taking your team to a higher level of alignment and to deliver faster and better on your most ambitious goals.